2024 Best First Motorcycle for Beginners Kawasaki Ninja 300. In the world of motorcycles, the 2024 Kawasaki Ninja 300 stands out as an exemplary choice for beginners, seamlessly blending performance, agility, and approachability. Recognized as one of the best first motorcycles for newcomers to the riding scene, the Ninja 300 exemplifies Kawasaki's commitment to crafting machines that cater to riders seeking an ideal balance of learning-friendly features and sporty aesthetics. In 2024, the Ninja 300 continues to capture the hearts of entry-level riders globally, standing as a symbol of confidence, thrilling rides, and the joy of embarking on the two-wheel journey. 1. Sporty and aggressive design. The Kawasaki Ninja 300 boasts a sporty and aggressive design that mirrors its larger displacement siblings. With its dual headlights, aerodynamic bearings, and race-inspired appearance, the Ninja 300 exudes the look and feel of a true sport bike. Kawasaki's attention to detail in the design makes the Ninja 300 not only a performance-oriented machine but also a head-turning motorcycle for riders eager to make a stylish entrance into the world of motorcycling. 2. Manageable and responsive twin-cylinder engine. At the heart of the Ninja 300 lies a manageable yet responsive 296 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, perfectly suited for beginners. Kawasaki's engine design strikes a balance between accessible power and rider-friendly characteristics, making it an excellent learning platform. The Ninja 300's engine provides enough performance for riders to confidently explore various riding scenarios while instilling a sense of control for those still honing their skills. 3. Nimble handling and rider-friendly ergonomics. Crafted for ease of handling, the Kawasaki Ninja 300 offers nimble and responsive characteristics. The bike's lightweight chassis and sporty suspension make it easy for beginners to maneuver through city streets and navigate twists and turns with confidence. The Ninja 300's rider-friendly ergonomics, including a comfortable seating position and intuitive controls, contribute to a positive learning experience for novice riders. 4. Confidence-inspiring stability. The Ninja 300 is designed to provide a stable and confidence-inspiring ride for beginners. The bike's chassis and suspension are tuned to offer a balance between comfort and performance, ensuring stability at various speeds. Whether cruising on the highway or learning the basics in a parking lot, the Ninja 300's stability instills confidence in riders as they progress in their motorcycling journey. 5. Comprehensive safety features. Kawasaki equips the 2024 Ninja 300 with comprehensive safety features to assist beginners in their learning process. Anti-lock braking system and #40, ABS and #41 adds an extra layer of safety by preventing will lockup during braking, particularly in emergency situations. Kawasaki's commitment to rider safety aligns with the brand's understanding of the needs of entry-level motorcyclists. Conclusion. The 2024 Kawasaki Ninja 300 stands tall as a global icon of entry-level sport bike excellence, securing its position as one of the best first motorcycles for beginners. Sporty and aggressive design, manageable twin-cylinder engine, nimble handling, confidence-inspiring stability, and comprehensive safety features make it an unrivaled choice for riders embarking on their two-wheel journey. Whether mastering the basics, exploring city streets, or craving the thrill of open roads, the Ninja 300 encapsulates the spirit of Kawasaki's dedication to crafting motorcycles that redefine the boundaries of entry-level sport bike excellence. As a symbol of confidence building, thrilling rides, and the joy of the beginner's journey, the 2024 Kawasaki Ninja 300 rightfully claims its place as a global legend in the realm of first motorcycles for beginners.